the most interesting pageant content is back. Mel 2204, your pageant blogger host. Subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers. During the top 4 of Mr. 2023 competition and before the announcement of winners, let's watch the question and answer or the final answer of Miss Earth Philippines, Iliana Marie Aduana, who is now our Miss Earth Air 2023. Let's watch her final Q&A.
An official at a recent climate conference was quoted as saying, "There is no science behind the phase out of fossil fuels." Do you agree with this? Why or why not?
As someone who is from the medical field, I do believe that everything roots from science. And I think that the greatest gift that we have in this generation is the sophisticated technical installations that we have. And so there is science in the phase out of fossil fuels. But one thing that we can also agree on is we can always live the zero waste and a sustainable lifestyle. I've always been practicing it because sustainability will always ensure the stability in our future. And if we can master the transferability skills on a job spaced out, then we will have a greener and a more sustainable future.
Maraming salamat sa iyong panonood at maraming salamat sa iyong pag-subscribe.